So I surprised myself today gifting a pair of Nikes. Assalamu alaikum people, my name is Junaid and here's a short unboxing video. So it was a Nike Uplift which I bought from Noon. My first impression is just a wow. Let's check how genuine the product is. It's a genuine and authentic. Give it a 360 for sure. And the material wise, sole seems very hard and strong, and attention to detail is a thumbs up. Time for a ramp walk. I'll rate this Nike a solid 9 out of 10. That's all for today. See ya. Like and subscribe please. Bye bye.